So here you can see my PIPO W2PRO tablet. Here is the model number and IDs. So whenever I switch it on, it will get stuck to the PIPO logo. It will do nothing. It will stuck like forever on that logo. You can see. But when I switch it off again by pressing the power button for more than 30 seconds, and if I connect the OTG cable and connect a USB keyboard to it, and open its BIOS setting, then from the save and exit option, I can reboot the device through this option only, reset system with ME disabled mode MEUD000. Only this option will let the device on. Other than no option going to on this device. If I select the Windows recovery from the boot override setting or the Windows boot manager or the last option UEFI built-in EFI cell, all these settings are not working. It will stuck at the black screen. So whenever I have to open the device fully, I have to choose this reset system with ME disabled mode only. So this is the only way to boot this device, boot this device completely. Please help me to solve this problem. Otherwise, I have to carry a USB keyboard for my lifelong. Now you can see I got this dual boot selection setting. Now I can boot into the Windows. So only that option let me boot into the device. Otherwise, nothing option will work. So as you can see, I have successfully logged into the device. Here I logged into the device. But every time I have to choose that reset with disabled ME mode setting. Otherwise the device will never going to on. It will stuck on that PIPO logo only. Is there any way to reflash it completely? Please kindly help me.